The production of the budget iPhone SE2 has reached the final stage. Budget iPhone SE2 should be presented to consumers soon. There was information that an inexpensive iPhone 9, iPhone SE2, should be presented at the end of March. Now he is being tested at the factory, in a factory in Zhengzhou. This means that the coronavirus epidemic did not stop Apple from releasing the new product on schedule. However, while there is no exact data either on the release date, or on the price of a new gadget, insiders suggest that it could cost about $400. Perhaps its design will repeat the iPhone 8. There is reason to believe that the smartphone has a 4.7-inch LCD screen and 3 GB of RAM. Analysts reported last month that Apple is still planning to launch a new iPhone in the first half of 2020. Numerous reports indicate that the company intends to announce the device by the end of March. But these plans may change due to the uncertainty surrounding the outbreak of SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus worldwide. Other experts believe that even if a cheaper iPhone is announced in March, shipments may be limited until Foxconn and other Apple suppliers resume normal operations and begin mass production in the second quarter.